Come in, Forklift.
Your time.
Okay, guys. So today,
It's not going to end good.
our challenge today is a bun eating challenge. However, it's with a twist. So here's what's going to be happening. We're not going to be blindfolded because we're not cheaters. So, Ari's a cheater, but she said she's going to close her eye. I'm going to close my eyes. Forklift is going to close his eyes. We're going to walk over to our lovely panel of bunnists over here. And each of us is going to find a bunnist and we're going to feed them. And the first person to finish eating their bun is the winner. Forklift, come here, man. Hey, Ari, take up your bun. And Forklift has his bun. Yo, brother, don't thief. You're gonna close your eyes. We're gonna walk. Watch your makeup. You're gonna find your person. We're not spinning. No. Are they getting up?
No.
So we have to spin. So to disorient ourselves.
Four times.
4 times.
Close your eyes.
And mark.
But you have to close your eyes.
The only gonna know say Forklift and Ari spin them roll. I be a thief in there, you know.
Close that. 1, 2, 3, space.
Nephew, you're getting up, you know.
4.
Jaja, I'm a little, wow. Oh, the don't bounce into me. Hey, girl, keep it, stay in your own lane.
We have push.
Okay, T is laughing, right. Hey, girl, come out of my lane, man. That's I know you, man. This I know you, Nephew got up. You see, this is what I tell you about thieving people. Because they've gone over here, so. No, this is still not you. Where is Nephew? Where Nephew gone? Londell. He's not here. Okay.
Simone, what are you
Excuse
doing?
me, pardon me, excuse me, pardon me. He's on the set, but we're fucking come out of Londell, where you put Nephew? Me not play. This I don't Nephew neither. Wait. Okay. No, Mr. Bite the bone. Right. Sure. Hello? Can I have some water for my female? So as to avoid any choking hazard. Wanna start eat already? I want to fuck. Oh my! Medic! Focus the man.
The way I hear
up. Train for. Where are they? No! Your bun finished?
Yeah.
Your bun finished?
Yeah.
Yes.
Jesus Christ. Chris, I saw your mouth did big. I saw Christine mouth did big all this time. But she not swallow yet. Jeffrey. Your mouth just big for nothing. Wait up, Chris, I go choke. Can we get some water on the set?
I don't eat bun.
There's still a chance. Chris, don't swallow yet, man.
But why are you?
Incremental. Swallow fast.
I don't eat bun.
Wanna give me a lame dog for a partner?
No, but why you have your... Why you have your pushy teeth?
This is the problem in your life. You talk too much. Christine, what are you chewing? I'm open. I'm still a chew. Watch out now.
No, you can't get more.
All right. Come here, flick your back.
Where is it? Second place?
No.
Definitely make a go. Only can I get some water for my party, please? Because he's choking. He's the worst bun eater.
Me no eat bun. Me get bun.
Never, are you crying? Where's your tissue in your pocket? Come here, my friend. Come here, I'll help you. Just like me feed the bun.
No.
That's all of them choking.
What I want to know is why Simone have to slap the body in my mouth instead of just gently.
It was a technique. Never worked though. Yeah. Nefril is, can we have makeup? Nefril is crying. A piece of bun left, I just going. He's the worst partner in life. We soon come back here, man. All